Hi all, today I am sharing the recipe to make Hotel Sarvanna Bhavan style sambar. So it tastes exactly like the one you have at this hotel. Before starting the video, I would request you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with the bell icon. So let's start with the yummy recipe. First, for some preparation, I am going to take one lemon sized tamarind ball and I am going to wash it nicely and soak it in water for at least half an hour. I am taking around 3/4 cup of tur dal, washing it nicely and adding 1 glass of water, little bit of turmeric powder, and I am going to pressure cook until it is nice and soft. I am using this later into the sambar. To make the sambar masala, I am going to take one large size tomato which I have chopped roughly, and also I am going to add around 3 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, and also going to add around half cup of fresh coconut which I have chopped nicely. For the spices, I am going to take around 4 dried red chili and 2 big tablespoons of coriander seeds. If you have coriander powder, you can use coriander powder, but I have experienced that adding whole spices gives a nice flavor and aroma to the sambar. So if you can, try adding whole spices. So I am adding 2 big tablespoons of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, and around 1/4 spoon of methi seed. So adding all of these spices into the jar, and I am going to add little water if required, and I am going to grind everything into a smooth paste. So I am going to use this later. So these are the vegetables in my sambar: 1 tomato, little bit of bottle gourd, 1 brinjal, some drumstick, and half carrot. So you can add vegetable of your choice obviously, but do add drumstick. Don't skip it because in all of the South Indian sambar, drumstick is added. So I am going to add 1 glass of water, little bit of turmeric powder, and I am going to give it a good mix. Now going to go ahead, cover the vegetables and cook on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. So once the vegetables are soft, you can go ahead and add the grinded masala paste. Also going to mix some water into the jar and add this. Give it a gentle mix and cook for few seconds. Now going to add salt to taste. Here I am adding 1 spoon of salt. Now let's add in the dal. So this is cooked and mashed tur dal. Add in the tamarind pulp and juice. Now water, you can add it according to your thickness preference. So if you want it to be more thick, add little water and vice versa. Now garnish with chopped coriander leaves. So I tasted it. I thought it needed a little bit of spice. I'm adding half spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. Here I'm preparing the bagar, so I'm taking around 4 tablespoon oil, adding half spoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 spoon of urad dal, good amount of hing, asafoetida powder, and onion slices. Actually shallots are used in this recipe, but I did not have shallots, so I'm adding a sliced onion. I'm going to fry a little bit of curry leaves also. Now fry everything until they are nice and crisp. After you achieve the crisp texture, now adding it to the sambar. Give it a good mix and sambar is ready. So that's it. You can serve this hot along with idlis, dosa or cooked rice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.